How could we be in Neptune while I'm flying away? Help.
Because we will have a space rocket to see the dwarf planets.
But we don't have a space rocket. What are the dwarf planets for?
The dwarf planets are like moons.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I'm coming with you. Let's get out of this planet. We don't want to get blown away.
Thank you everyone. You saved my life.
Let's find some dwarf planets.
Class, there's something going in here. Where are they now? They came inside of the chalkboard. Anyway, let's talk about dwarf planets. These are the dwarf planets. The dwarf planets would call Ceres, Pluto, Eris, Makemake, and many more dwarf planets. The dwarf planets are kind of moons.
Did Earth die?
Of course not. The Earth wasn't dead. It's alive.
It's alive?
Of course it is. The Earth is alive. Take a look at Ceres. Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt that lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, slightly closer to Mars's orbit. With a diameter of 945 kilometers, 587 kilometers, Ceres is the largest of the minor planets and the only dwarf planet inside Neptune's orbit. It is the 33rd largest known body in the solar system. Andrew, have you seen Piers and Paul?
They're on our way. Finally, we arrived.
Look at this.
What is it?
It's a dwarf planet.
Wow. I never saw a dwarf planet for years. This looks like a moon.
Why did you call me Sandy Cheeks?
Because you're a SpongeBob fan.
I am not.
You are.
I am not.
You are.
I am not.
Okay. Paul, please, stay calm. This is just a dwarf planet.
Yep, a dwarf planet was right. Look at all of those dwarf planets.
I know. Some of the dwarf planets are moons.
They do look like moons. Look at them. These dwarf planets are composed to rock and ice, contains approximately 1/3 of the mass of the entire asteroid belt. The dwarf planets is when they start in the 1950s. 1950s are old cartoons like Popeye, Felix the Cat, Oswald Rabbit, Mickey Mouse, and more.
Well, Paul, I'm sick and tired of these old cartoons. Carrion doesn't like them. I like Felix the Cat. But now I cancelled Popeye.
Piers, why did you cancel Popeye for good? You make me so sad.
Because Popeye was the one who attacked you. You know, I hate Popeye.
Oh, well, let's just go to Mars then.
Okay.